Oh, I did not know that. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Leo from Jerry Hunt Super Center. Right here we got a Corvette C8 Stingray, packing a 6.2 liter engine V8, going 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. So guys, right here, this car has 6 piston calipers. Nice, beautiful baby blue color right here. Nice, smooth, got spoilers. This vehicle comes with cameras all around, so it checks your blind spots in case of backing up and everything. Oh, nice, smooth vehicles. So guys, also this C8 is a hard top mid-engine Corvette, and don't you just see these lovely, beautiful bucket seats? It has a digital rear view mirror. That meaning you don't gotta look out, you don't gotta respond to it. It's a camera built into the rear view mirror just in case you see something that you don't see behind you. Right here, this is a 8-speed automatic dual clutch transmission. That means it's gonna be a ton of fun for us to drive. It really is a beautiful vehicle. So just come check us out, come ask for me, and we can go take a test drive.